Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to make Notion aesthetic. So let's get started. If you want your workspace to feel clean, organized, and visually pleasing, these simple steps will make a huge difference. First, let's start with the easiest method using templates. Notion has tons of beautifully designed templates that instantly upgrade the look of your pages. Just click Templates on the left sidebar, search for themes like aesthetic, minimal, or pastel, and choose the one that matches your vibe. Add it to your workspace and customize from there. Next, choose a good cover image. Click Add Cover at the top of your page and scroll through Notion's built-in gallery, or upload your own aesthetic images from places like Pinterest or Unsplash. A matching icon also helps pick emojis or upload minimal icons to give each page personality. Now adjust your layout. Break long pages into clean sections using headings, dividers, and columns. This instantly makes your workspace feel organized and easier to navigate. You can also use callout blocks with soft colors to highlight important information. They not only stand out, but also add a gentle design touch to your pages. Finally, keep your pages consistent. Use the same color palette, icon style, and section structure across your workspace. This is what really gives Notion that aesthetic, cohesive feel. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.